Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to add a contact on your iPhone. It's a super simple process, but we'll cover a few different ways to do it, just in case. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more iPhone tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so adding a contact. There are basically three main ways we can do this, from the phone app, from the Contacts app itself, and even from mail or messages. Let's start with the phone app. Visual, close-up of the iPhone screen, phone app open. Alright, so you've just received a call from someone who isn't in your contacts. First, open up the phone app. Then, tap on the Recents tab at the bottom. Find the number you want to save. Now, tap the I icon next to that number. Visual, highlight the I icon. This will bring up the contact information screen, even if the contact doesn't exist yet. Here, you'll see a few options. You can choose Create New Contact, if it's someone completely new, or Add to Existing Contact, if you want to merge this number with a contact you already have. Visual, highlight both Create New Contact and Add to Existing Contact options. Let's say it's a new contact. Tap Create New Contact. Now you can fill in the information, first name, last name, company, and any other details you want to add. Visual, show the contact information screen with fields for first name, last name, etc. Scroll down, and you'll see the phone number is already there. You can add another phone number, an email address, a website, even a ringtone. It's all customizable. Visual, highlight the email address field and the ringtone option. Once you've entered all the details, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Your new contact is saved. Visual, tap Done. Now, let's look at adding a contact directly from the Contacts app. Visual, close-up of the iPhone screen, Contacts app open. Open the Contacts app. You should see a list of all your contacts. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus sign plus. Tap that. Visual, highlight the plus icon. This takes you straight to the new contact screen. Just like before, fill in the information you want, first name, last name, phone number, email, etc. Visual, show the contact information screen with fields for first name, last name, etc. Tap Done in the top right corner to save it. Easy peasy. Visual, tap Done. Finally, let's see how to add a contact from an email or a text message. Visual, close-up of the iPhone screen, showing an example email or text message with a phone number. In an email or a text message, tap on the sender's name or number. Usually, if it's a new contact, it will give you the option to create new contact, or add to existing contact, just like in the phone app. The steps from there are exactly the same as we covered earlier. Visual, highlight the option to create new contact, or add to existing contact within the email or text message. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to add contacts on your iPhone. Hopefully, this was helpful. Remember to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe to Fix Zone for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.